just finished up fitting a radio on his Ford Focus 2008. So this is your new radio. So on here we currently have CarPlay set up. So if we go back to your normal Kenwood home screen, so you have Android Auto, CarPlay, digital radio. So DAB will come through here. We can search through the stations by using the eyeglass down here. All your stations will be coming up on listing. We have Bluetooth telephone, normal radio, USB functions as well. So obviously this will go to your CarPlay. Obviously from here we have maps, we have Spotify, we have Waze, if we go to our normal Bluetooth, because we have CarPlay connected, it'll be listed on there. Obviously we can do keypad, so we can dial out through here as well. Obviously it works with the original steering wheel buttons on this vehicle, so just behind the steering wheel here he has his volume up and down. So if I do the volume up and volume down, it will also skip track. Skip track. So you can skip track through there. We also installed a reversing camera to this car. So if I go into reverse, this is your reverse. Gives you guidelines on there. Now, as you can see, we are connected and it is wireless. We have no cables here for it. In the glove box of the vehicle, we have installed the USB cable for him. This is the customer's option to put that in there.